Hey, do you want to set the free animated theme on your Galaxy phone? All you have to do, on your Samsung, you have to open the settings and you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Then scroll down and go into the themes. Now from here, you have to click on the right upper corner, or you can also tap on the animated. But it will be easier to click here, then tap to free animate, then tap on the popular and select top 3. And from here you can pick actually any theme that you want. Let's say that I'm going to apply, for example, this one. Here we can also find the preview, how it looks, and in this place you can also check the ringtone and the notification sound. For sure, when you apply it, you will be still able to change it, so don't worry about this. Click download. Now wait for the downloading and click on the apply button that will appear. There we go. And after a few seconds, it will be on our phone. There we go. So that's the wallpaper. And check the screen. As you can see, that's the lock screen that is animated just right here. And that's it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.